Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power sources. Check the key fob and 12V auxiliary battery voltage because the cluster won't light with a dead battery. Once done, sit in the driver's seat, close doors, and make sure your foot is off the brake. Then press the power button once or twice without the brake to reach accessory or on mode. This is how the Prius powers the instrument cluster without engaging the hybrid system. Make sure dash dimmer is not set to minimum. Once the cluster has power, focus on controls and self-test. First, rotate the instrument dimmer through its full range. Sometimes lights are simply dimmed almost to off. Next, locate and inspect the instrument cluster fuse. Pull it and check continuity or swap with an identical spare fuse. A blown fuse prevents illumination. Then trigger the cluster self-check by power cycling. Press power off, then on. You should briefly see all warning lamps come on, which confirms the bulbs and LEDs are functional. To finish, replace any blown instrument cluster fuse with the exact amp-rated part, reinstall it, and retest by entering accessory/on. Your dash lights should appear. If fuses and dimmer check out but the cluster still stays dark, suspect a failed cluster module or a wiring issue. Intermittent connections at the harness or a failed LED driver are common. If that happens, don't attempt invasive repairs without diagnostic tools. Contact a Toyota.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.